Welcome to Quantitative Aptitude session on numbers. In this part 3 video, we will see multiplication by shortcut methods and basic formulae. Let's get started. Let's start our video with multiplication by shortcut methods. Under this topic, first we are going to see about multiplication by distributive law. For this topic, we have to remember these two formulas. The first formula is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Just we are expanding this equation. So for a into b plus c, we are getting a into b plus a into c. And the second formula is a into b minus c. In place of a plus, we are having minus. Similarly, a into b minus a into c. So just remember these two formulas. It will help a lot in solving the problems. Let's see how to use these formulas. We have a problem which is 567958 into 99,999. So they have given a question. So this value we have to restructure according to the given formula. Here we have a into b, but we have to restructure this to either a into b plus c or a into b minus c. So here we are expanding this 99,999 as 1 lakh minus 1. So we are getting the formula like a into b minus c. So this is a and this is b and this is c. So we know the formula. A into b minus c equal to a into b minus a into c. So accordingly we have to write the given values. So 567958 into 1 lakh minus 567958 into 1. So we are getting the same value. And then we have to subtract these two values. So as a result of the subtraction, we are getting 5679523242 as the answer. So for this type of question, first we have to restructure the given equation, like either in the form of a into b plus c or in the form of a into b minus c. Here a into b minus c will be more suited. So this is how we have to solve the problem. We will see one more problem. 978 into 184 plus 978 into 816. So here they have given like, see, we have the common 978. So this is A and this is also A, and 184 is B and 816 is C. So we know A into B plus A into C. So the equation is A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So this is how we have to shorten the given equation. So we are replacing the values with this given equation. So for A, in place of A, we are replacing 798 into B is 184 here plus C, which is 816. And then we are adding these two values, which gives 1000 as the answer. And we are multiplying now 978 into 1000. So we are getting now 978,000 as the answer. So by just remembering these two equations, we can reformat the given questions and easily we can find the answer. This is how we have to use this multiplication by shortcut methods. The next topic we are going to see is multiplication of a number by 5 power n. Let's consider a simple example. They are giving a problem and we have to multiply a given number by 5 power n. So in that case, what we need to do? So in that case, for those type of problems, we have to see the power of 5, which is here it is considered as n. For example, in place of n, we can have 5 square. So 2 is in the place of n. If we have 5 cube, then 3 is in the place of n. So in that case, we have to put n number of zeros to the right side of the multiplicand. And we have to divide the number by 2 power n. If 5 square is the given thing, then we have to multiply by, then we have to divide by 2 power 2. And if it is 5 power 3, then we have to divide the number by 2 power 3. First, we have to put the n number of zeros to the right side of the multiplicand, and then we have to divide the number by 2 power n. Let's see how to solve the problem. Here they have given the problem as 975436 into 625. So we have to first rewrite the 625 as 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 is 625 and we have 975436 into 5 power 4. So here according to the given thing we can compare 4 is in the place of n. So 4 is in the place of n. So first we know the rules. First we have to first we have to put the n number of zeros to the right side of the multiplicand and then we have to divide the given number by 2 power n. So first for that thing what we are going to do is like first we are expanding this 5 as 10 by 2. So here we are getting 975436 into 10 by 2 the whole power 4 and since we are putting the same n number of zeros to the right side of the multiplicand, we are getting 975436 into 10 power 4. So we are putting four number of zeros to the right side of the multiplicand, and then we are dividing the answer value by 2 power n. So here 4 is in the place of n, so we are getting 2 power 4, and then we can find the answer. Here we are getting 975436000 by 2 power 4 is 16, and then on dividing this we are getting 609647500. So this is the answer. This is how we have to solve multiplication. This is how we have to solve the given problem. Let's see some more examples. The first problem is 5793405 into 9999. Here they have given 9999. So we know first we have to restructure the given equation. So we can restructure 9999 as 10,000 minus 1. Now it is in the format of A into B minus C. So we know the equation A into B minus A into C. So A is so 5793405 is in the place of A and 10,000 is in the place of B, and here it is A again and 1 is in the place of C. So we have expanded the equation and we can find the answer easily. So on multiplying this value by 10,000 we are getting 5793405 minus 5793405. On subtracting this two values, we are getting 57928256,595. This is the answer for the given solution, given problem. So first we have to restructure the given equation according to the two formulas, either in the format of A into B plus C or in the format of A into B minus C. Then we can easily find the answer. Let's move on to the second problem. Here they have given simplify 360 into 17 and they have given four options 5120, 5320, 6120 and 6130. So we have to solve this equation. First we have to restructure the given equation. So 17 we can rewrite as 20 minus 3, isn't it? Yeah. First we are writing 17 as 20 minus 3. Then we are getting A into B minus C format. So we know the equation A into B minus A into C. A into B which gives 360 into 20 minus A into C which gives 360 into 3. So we are getting 7200 for this 360 into 20, and for 360 into 3 we are getting 1080, and we are multiplying this we are subtracting these two values which gives 6120 as the answer. So the answer is option C. Let's move on to the third problem. Simplify 587 into 999 and they have given four options. Out of this we have to find the correct answer. Let's move on to the solution. They have given 587 into 999. So we have to restructure this given equation. So we can rewrite 999 as 1000 minus 1. So we know A into B minus C. A into B minus A into C. So accordingly we can rewrite the given question as 587 into 1000 minus 587 into 1. So we can find the values 587000 minus 587. So on subtracting these two values we are getting 586413 as the answer. So here option A is the answer. Next we will move to basic formula section. In this basic formula section, we have to remember some of the formulas. Just please make a note of it so that you can revise it at any time. The first formula is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third formula is a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. The fourth formula is a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Fifth formula is a square plus b square is equal to half into a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. And the sixth equation is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Just remember these formulas. This will help a lot in solving this aptitude problems or numbers. We have some more formulas to remember. Let's see that. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. And then a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And then if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Try to remember all these formulas and just revise it again and again so that you can easily solve the problems on quantitative aptitude on numbers. Let's see some of the example problems. Please try to solve these problems with me. First one is evaluate 313 into 313 plus 287 into 287. Let's see the solution. So the given value is 313 into 313 plus 287 into 287. First we have to find the formula related to the given question. So first for that I'm assigning A to 313, and then for 287 I'm assigning B. So here also we are getting A, and for this also we are assigning B. So we are getting A into A plus B into B. So it is in the format of A square plus B square. A square plus B square is the format. So we know the equation for A square plus B square, which is half into A plus B the whole square plus A minus B the whole square. So we know in place of A we are having 313, and in place of B we are having 287. So accordingly replace the values with the given equation. So half into 313 plus 287 the whole square plus 313 minus 287 the whole square. So just do the simple mathematical things. So on adding this we are getting 600 and square, plus subtracting this we are getting 26 square. So we are taking the square of the two values and we are adding that and we are dividing that by 2. So as a result of that we are getting 180338. So this is how we have to use the given formulas. First we have to find which formula is suited for the given question, and then we can to expand the and then we have to expand the given values with the formulas. Now I have solved one example problem. This is exercise problem for you. Please try to solve it and we will see the solution in the next video, which is the part 4 video. I am reading the problem statement. We have to evaluate 217 into 217 plus 183 into 183. and they have given four options. We have four options. Out of this you have to find the correct answer. So first you have to find you have to find which formula is suited for the given problem, and then you have to use that formula to find the answer. Please try to solve it. We will see the solution in the next video. Let's see the next example problem. Evaluate 46 square minus question mark square, which is equal to 4398 minus 3066. So we have to find the question mark. So they have given four options, which is 16, 28, 36 and 42. Let's see the solution. First, I am replacing this question mark with x. So in place of question mark, I have replaced x. So we are getting 46 square minus x square, and then on subtracting this 4398 and 3066, we are getting 1332. So this is a simple equation. We can easily solve the equation. So we have to find the x. So I am moving the x here. I'm keeping this x square in the left hand side, and I'm moving this 46 square to the right hand side. So on 46 square is 2116 minus 1332, which gives 784. So to find x, we have to take square root on both the sides. So on taking square root for x square, we are getting x, and on taking square root for 784, we are getting 28. So option B is the answer. And we have one more exercise problem for you. Please try to solve this problem, and we will see the solution in the part 4 video. I am reading the problem statement. Evaluate 856 plus 167 the whole square plus 856 minus 167 the whole square by 856 into 856 plus 167 into 167. And they have given four options. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 689, and option D is 1023. Please try to solve it. To solve this, first you have to find which formula is best suited for the given solution, a given problem. So just remember, try to remember all the formulas and try to solve this. That's all about this video. In the previous video of quantitative aptitude on numbers, we have seen about test of divisibility. If you want to know more about this, please watch my previous video. And in that video, I have given some of the exercise problems, and we will see the solution of those problems in this video. Let's get started. In the previous video, I have given 5 exercise problems. Let's see the solution. The first problem is, which of the following numbers is exactly divisible by 11? And they have given four options. Out of these four, we have to find which number is exactly divisible by 11. Just try to remember the divisibility by 11 rule. So to see whether the given number is divisible by 11 or not, first we have to find the difference of the sum of the digits at the odd place and the sum of the digits at the even place. Then that difference should be either 0 or it should be the number which is divisible by 11. If that is the case, then the given number must be divisible by 11. So let's see the solution. First I am taking 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 1. So I'm writing the numbers at the odd places. In the odd places, we have 1, 6 and 3. And in the even place, we have 4, 5 and 2. So I'm taking the sum of 163, which gives 11. And the sum of 452 is 10. So we have to find the difference of these two values. So we are getting 1. 1 is not divisible, 1 is not a 0, and it is not divisible by 11 also. So the given number is not divisible by 11. Next I am checking for the second option. I am taking 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2. Similarly, I am writing the values at the even places and in the odd places, and I am taking the sum. So the sum of the digits at the even places, which gives 12, and the sum of the digits at the odd places, which gives 11. So on subtracting this, we are getting 1, which is also not divisible by 11. So the option C is also not correct. Option B is also not correct. For option C, which is 315624, I'm taking the sum of digits at the odd places, which is 4 plus 6 plus 1, which gives 11. And the sum of the digits at the even places, which gives 3 plus 5 plus 2, which is 10. And on subtracting 11 and 10, we are getting 1, which is also not divisible by 11. So the C option is not correct. So we are checking for D option, which is 415624. And then here also we are taking the difference of the sum of the digits at the odd places and at the even places. So we are getting 0. So the difference should be either 0 or it should be a number which is divisible by 11. So in this case we are getting 0. So this is divisible by 11. So option D is the correct answer. Just try to compare the solution of just try to compare my solution with your solution and then try to solve it. Let's move on to the second problem. Which of the following numbers is exactly divisible by 24? They have given 4 options and then we have to find which is divisible by 24. Let's see the solution. Just try to remember the divisibility by 24 rule. If a number is divisible by 24, then it should be divisible by both 3 and 8. So we have to check whether the given number is divisible by both 3 and 8. If it is divisible by both 3 and 8, then the given number is divisible by 24. So first I am checking the option A, which is 35718. So we know the divisibility by 8 rule. If a given number is divisible by 8, then the number formed by the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So the number formed by the last 3 digits here is 718. 718 is not divisible by 8. So this is absolutely 35718 is not divisible by 24. So option A is not correct. Then we are checking for option B. The number formed by last 3 digit is 810, which is also not divisible by 8. So this is also not divisible by 24. So option B is also not correct. And then we are checking for option C, which is 537804. Here the number formed by the last 3 digit is 804. Here 804 is also not divisible by 8. So then absolutely it is not divisible by 24. So this is also not correct. Then we are checking for option D. Option D is 3125736. The number formed by last 3 digit is 736, which is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. 3125736 is divisible by 8. Then we can check whether it is divisible by 3. So if a given number should be divisible by 4, then the sum of the digits in this number should be divisible by 3. So the sum of the digits here is 3125736, which gives 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 24. So the given number 3125736 is divisible by both 8 and 3. Then it is divisible by 24. So the option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the third problem. The third problem is 6897 is divisible by, and the options are 11 only, 19 only, both 11 and 19, and neither 11 nor 19. So we have to see whether 6897 is divisible by 11 or 19, or it is divisible by both, or it is not divisible by either 11 or 19. Let's move on to the solution. So we know the divisibility by 11 rule. For the given number to get divisible by 11, then we have to find the sum of the digits at the odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places. Then we have to find the difference of the two values. Then the difference should be either 0 or it should be a number which is divisible by 11. So in this case, at the even places we are having 6 and 9, and at the odd places we are having 8 and 7. So 9 plus 6, which gives 15, 8 plus 7, which is also giving 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0. So we are getting 0, which is divisible by 11. So we know that 6897 is divisible by 11. So option B is not correct and option D is also not correct. Then we have to check whether it is divisible by 19. So 6897 is divisible by 19. So it is divisible by both 11 and 19. So option A is not correct. So option C is the correct thing. It is divisible by both 11 and 19. Let's move on to the fourth problem. The smallest number that must be added to 803642 in order to obtain a multiple of 11 is. And the options are 1, 4, 7 and 9. Let's move on to the solution. In this case, we have to find the smallest number which is to be added to 803642 so that the given number is divisible by 11. So for that, first we are dividing this 803642 by 11. On dividing this, we are getting the remainder as 4. So to find the smallest number that should be added, we have to subtract 11 and 4. So on subtracting 11 and 4, like the divisibility value and the remainder, here in the case of 11 and 4, we are getting 7. So option C is the correct answer. 7 is the smallest number that should be added to the given number, which is 803642, so that the given number is divisible by 11. Let's move on to the fifth problem, which is the final problem of this video. The smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 476 is. They have given 4 options. We have to find the smallest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 476. Let's move on to the solution. First, we are considering the smallest 5-digit number which is 10,000. So we are taking 10,000, and to find the number which is to be added, we are dividing the value which is 10,000 and the divisibility value which is 476. So on dividing this 10,000 by 476, we are getting remainder as 4. So to find the number to be added, we have to subtract the divisibility value and the remainder. So in this case, we are subtracting 476 and 4, which gives 472 as the answer. So the number to be added is 472. So we are considering 10,000, and to the 10,000 we are adding this 472. So as a result of this, we are getting the required number, which is 10,472. This is the smallest 5-digit number which is divisible by 476. So option B is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.